Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable changes to location services on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on screen time. Now go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then go to the privacy section and tap on location services. Now put in the screen time passcode. In here you can choose allow changes or don't allow changes. In here it's saying that disallow changes locks the settings shown below and prevents new apps from using location services. And you can see here, if I choose allow changes, location services is disabled, and if I choose don't allow changes, in here I can choose to turn off or turn on location services. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.